Hi guys, and welcome to U-Wrench. Today we're looking at the Grand Caravan and the Chrysler Town & Country. If you're wondering where to find the information on the correct tyre pressure levels, let's take a look. So if you open your driver's door, just in the driver's door sill there, you'll find that you should have a sticker attached just here, and on there it's got the full spec for your tyres, including front and rear, and also for the spare wheel as well. So that is where to locate the correct tyre pressures for the Grand Caravan and Chrysler Town & Country. If this has been useful for you, please hit that like button on YouTube before you leave us, and if you could hit subscribe, it would be genuinely appreciated. We'll see you again. Thanks guys.